So this is my first page of my Promethean board. So I made the background with jungle animals. You can see the toucan and the giraffe's head. On the first slide, I inputted a video, and this video kind of puts a theme behind it that all the animals are throwing a party for the elephant who's coming back. So you can just press play on that and it will play. Then I have text on all of my screens, but here's one where we just say the learning target where we're going to be using addition to check subtraction and some more text. And so this is the first one, and it says Tiger is choosing 16 songs to dance to at the party. And so I inputted audio right here, some little music, and this would be used kind of as a brain break for the students so that they could have a break. Next, so I had moved these earlier, but these are the shapes that I put on the circles. I put in a triangular hat. I don't know if that counts, but it's there too. So the drag and drop, as I explained to Jordan, was not going to work in this application for me because I don't have the professional one. And so why did I just copy and pasted these circles so they could do math with them? So in this situation, this would be a moment for interaction where I'm not going to be the one doing the math. The students will come up here, one student or maybe two, and they'll be the ones dragging them out, and they'll be the ones saying, all right, we need 14 of them. Then we need to take 5 away and put 5 back. So that would be a time where they'd be interacting with it. This image right here is frozen, and so this party hat is not going to move. So that's a frozen image. And here's some more audio. If they get the answer right, they get to click this, and one student could interact and come up here and press this button. And it's just the sound of an elephant since we are preparing for Mr. Elephant. Then the last one, this is right here is the URL attached, and this URL leads to the assessment. Since I don't have Active Hub either, because I don't have the professional version, it didn't let me do a quiz embedded into this. And so this leads to kind of like a worksheet, and they could do it on paper, they could do it on their whiteboards, and that would be a form of assessing them. And that's all.